The Citroën Ami has always been a canvas for creativity, with various sticker designs produced by the company and custom wraps made by owners. However, none have been as dramatic as the new Type-Ami. This unique transformation comes from Caselani, a bodywork manufacturer based in Cremona, known for designing conversion kits for Citroën models like the Berlingo, Jumper, and SpaceTourer. Now, they have turned their attention to the tiny electric quadricycle, giving it a nostalgic twist inspired by classic Citroëns. Set to make its global debut at Retromobile 2025, the Citroën Type-Ami is in the final stages of development and is already available for pre-order through Caselani. The most striking change is at the front, where the modern minimalist look has been swapped for a vintage aesthetic. The large closed-off grille is front and center, with the Citroën logo taking prominence. The hood features two broken lines, adding depth and character that sets it apart from the standard Ami. While the overall dimensions remain unchanged, the body now features subtle, horizontal curves that enhance its retro appeal. The wheels also pay tribute to Citroën's history with a simple yet elegant design. Importantly, these modifications do not alter the weight of the vehicle, which stays at 471 kilograms. The kit is compatible with both the current and previous versions of the Ami. Designed by David Obendorfer in collaboration with the Citroën Style Center led by Pierre Leclerc, the Type-Ami comes in multiple colors. Customers can purchase a fully built version for €13,900 or opt for just the conversion kit at €5,000 if they already own an Ami. This is a fresh take on a modern classic, blending history with the future.